is a little tiny leader 120. It's a super small quad. It's a 2.5 inch, still considered like a toy grade. I think they're like $100. It's a 2-cell or 3-cell. The ESC is capable of 4-cell, and the motors are capable of 4-cell, but the flight controller is only capable of 3-cell. It's rated for 2, so if you calculate 2-cell with the USB being plugged in, that puts you over a little over 3-cell. So it could probably have an HV 3-cell on here, and the flight controller could handle it. But when you go to plug this guy into the computer, do not plug it in with a 3-cell battery. Learn from my mistake. I had the ESC and the flight controller fry. Pretty good quad. I mean, do not make the mistake like I did and have to rebuild it. So I just ordered a new stack, new flight controller, new ESC. And this will be my first time actually taking it out and flying it. So when I fried this little guy, it was brand new, and I was just programming it, and I didn't pull the 2-cell battery that's on here out of the box. I didn't have props on it or anything. I was just being a good kid, and I had some 3-cell batteries that I ordered with it, and I was more worried about flying it with the 3-cell, but nobody told me when you program it with the 2-cell. Pretty cool though. It's super tiny. I'm going to go fly this, see how she flies.